In this video, we're going to give you a quick overview on symptom-based troubleshooting, which you can find on Diesel Repair. To access the symptom-based troubleshooting section, simply click symptom-based troubleshooting from over on the left-hand side. You're now presented with a menu system. And if you've watched any of the videos, you'll notice that in all of ours, we kind of have the same selections that are happening here. So let's go through and pick some. So let's go to Cummins, Engine, 2015, and let's pick an ISB 67. You'll now see I'm presented with a list of symptom options. And as you can tell, the menu selection is quite long and quite lengthy. Our team's put a lot of effort to put a list together. So let's check another one right here. Let's check one, stationary regeneration will not complete. So very often you have to do a stationary regen. Sometimes they don't finish, or they finish prematurely. Why is that? We can click view troubleshooting, and now you'll see we got some cards, and each card is going to give you a little bit of information on what it is. It's going to tell you what to do and how to, and what tests you should do and what you should be looking for. So let's go pick another one just for an example. Let's go pick a Detroit diesel engine. You can see we have some transmission stuff in there. 2010, we'll do the DD13. And again, a pretty long, lengthy list of things that are going on here. So let's check out excessive oil consumption. Hit view troubleshooting. And again, you'll see all the different steps that we walk you through on how to perform that symptom-based troubleshooting. So there you go. That is symptom-based troubleshooting overview. You can try it for free on Diesel Repair. Head to repair.diesellaptops.com and enjoy the content.